So your Netflix game stuck with error 7006 or not loading on your iPhone? Don't worry, let's fix it together. So first we have to check our Netflix subscription. Open the Netflix app, tap your profile icon in the bottom right, then tap the menu. And now go to the account and check your payment details or billing history. Make sure your membership active and there are no pending payments. If your subscription is cancelled or payment failed, Netflix games won't work. And the next thing we have to check for updates. So just close Netflix and open the App Store. Here we have to search Netflix and see if there's an update available. So if you see there's an update button, just update your app because an outdated version can cause loading issues. If it's still not working, we have to go for sign out and sign back in. So go to your Netflix and then from your profile, open the menu and here you will find the sign out option. So then log back in. So this can actually clear temporary glitches. And after that, if you still stuck on this, just check your iPhone storage. So for that, we have to go to our device settings, then general, and from the iPhone storage, make sure you have enough free space. Because most of the time, low storage can prevent games from loading properly. So while you are there, scroll down and find Netflix and tap Offload app. After that, reinstall it from the App Store. And one more important thing here, make sure you are not using a kid's profile. Because Netflix games aren't available on kids' profile, so switch to a regular profile before trying again. And after trying all of this process, I hope any of this fix your issue. Hope this guide helped. Make a like and subscribe for more Netflix tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.